Hello. Today's tutorial will show you how to change a guest room for current visits, as well as change rooms for reservations in Hospitality Housekeeper. First, I'm going to show you how to change a room for a current guest. From the house register, you want to select Current Guest. Locate the guest that needs the room change. In this case, we're looking for Linda Smith. In the first column, we have action. If you hover your mouse over action, you will see that there's different options to choose from. In this example, we want to select change rooms. A new window appears and it displays the current room number for Miss Smith, which is room 110. Then it gives us the option to use a drop down to select what room we'd like to change into. So in this case, let's choose, we're going to go to 111. We also see here that Miss Linda is already a checked in guest. So we're going to actually change rooms to 111 as of today, the 21st. So you select the date and then you select change room down here at the bottom. And you'll notice that our ribbon at the top shows us that it has been saved. Now, if we go back to the house register page, we can see here that Linda Smith was in room 110. And as of today, Thursday, Linda Smith is now in room 111. Now, if you need to undo a room change for a checked-in visit, simply open the visit in the original room. So we're going to go back to the original room, which was 110. If you just click on the ribbon here, you'll see you go to Undo Room Change, select that box, and then we're going to save it. And there you can see that now we still have Linda Smith in room 110, and we no longer have any type of room change for Linda Smith. We also have the option to change rooms for those guests that are still just a reservation. So the guests who have yet to check in. So on the house register page here, we are able to identify a reservation from a visit by the white box next to their name here. So if we scroll down, we can see here that Jack Jones, this little white box, Jack Jones is a reservation. He has yet to check in. And as you can see, he is not scheduled to check in until Saturday the 23rd. Okay. So to change your reservations room, you want to select their ribbon and you can simply drag and drop. So we're going to select Jones and we're going to drop Jack Jones to room 124. We'll get a box here. Do we want to confirm this change? Select OK. And now Jack Jones is now a reservation in room 124. You can also select the white box, which will provide a drop down. So if we go to the white box here, we select it, you can see there's a drop down. You can choose what room you'd like to change the reservation to. So we're going to change it to room 122. We get a prompt here to confirm. Select OK. And now you can see that Jack Jones is a reservation in room 122. Now, for visits, drag and drop to a room isn't allowed because we want to prevent accidental changes. So if I scroll back up to Linda Smith, you can see it. If I click on Linda Smith and I go to drag it down to change rooms for a current visit to room 111, it won't allow me to, right? We don't want that to happen for those guests that are already here. For a reservation, it's okay if you accidentally change what room they're going to be in because they're not actually here yet. But for those current visits, we do make you jump through that one extra hoop to change the room. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about changing a current visit or reservation to a new room, please feel free to ask on the user form, which can be located by the flag here at the top of the screen. I will also include the link in the video description under this video.